This next story is one you're gonna have to see to believe. When I get to the door, the customer comes out and tells me to watch out for his wife because she's been frantic all morning. Confused, I proceed with my normal inspection. He takes me to the toilet that's having issues. All right, so let's see what's clogging this thing right now. At this point, I don't think anything's out of the ordinary. Seems like a routine toilet clog. What could go wrong? Oh, what else do we got in here? Oh, she's gonna need her hair fixed. Oh, there's something sticking out in here. Ooh. While things seemed normal at first, this is where it took a turn and got weird. Oh.
That explains the ringing.
All right, what else we got? Oh, this one's way in there. I didn't know they made them that big. I think there's one more. There's something else in here. That makes sense. So, needless to say, we found the problem. And I was good to go. How's that for a tale from a plumber?